Scammers are getting smarter and they're coming for you. If you don't know these 3 scams, you could lose your money or your Apple ID. Let me show you how to avoid them. iCloud phishing emails. You get an email saying your Apple ID has been locked. Click here to restore access. Don't click the link. Apple never sends urgent emails asking you to log in. Instead, go to settings where your name is iCloud to check your account. Number 2. Fiverr fake purchases. You receive a message saying, I want to place an order, but it requires your email. Even if they show a checkout page with a credit card on it, scanners want to steal your email. Fiverr checkout does not require any email. Number 3, fake Facebook business offers via Messenger. A scammer pretending to be a Facebook business rep message you saying, monetization violation detected, fix now. We found some issues with your Facebook page that go against our rules. Facebook never messages you directly about monetization. Always verify through the business manager notifications. If you found this helpful, like and share to protect others. Want to learn more? Join my free lesson on how to clean your computer today.